iMethod's Beauty Holiday Collection. Gel color polish. So it's a gel polish. 6 gel polishes you get. This one here, 103. Very pretty red. $114. Beautiful gold. $118. A glitter red. $119. It's like an off-white. Grayish off-white, yes. 120. A blue, like a pearl blue. $121. A glitter pink, like a fuchsia. Gorgeous colors. Easy 3-step process. If you're interested in iMethod beauty products on Amazon, use my code MEL10 for 10% off. Okay, I want to share with you guys the iMethod Beauty Amazon storefront here. I want to share the many different things they do have, anything related to beauty. They have makeup, they have chrome, they have eyelashes, gel polish, eye masks, matte top coats, base coats, no wipes, chrome powders, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested, like I said, use my code MEL10 off and you'll get 10% off of anything you choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.